Hi everybody, welcome to lesson number 8. So today, like I said, you're going to need your recorder, and we're going to be looking at two songs that you should know from way back in 1st and 2nd grade, and see if we can play them on our recorders. So let's take a look at this song. We are playing in the forest, and we're going to just quickly go through these steps on how to play it. So if you look here, the first step is clapping the rhythm. So again, pretty easy because it's a song that we already know. Take out your hands and let's clap it together. Here we go. Do-day, 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 do. Do-day, 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 do. Okay, that's step 1. Again, it's a known song. If you wanted to clap it again on your own, you could. Clapping is always the most important part. The next thing then is to name the notes. So if you look over here at my key, I've got the line rule going on where do, mi, and so are line notes. So let's go ahead and name them together. So, mi, mi. So, mi, so, la, la. So, la, so. Okay. Step 3 says to find the copies. So we're going to take a look through our song and find copies. Where else do you see this idea? Yep, right below it. And then you know what? This idea is almost identical, just that last note is different. And that one is identical to that one above it. So really, it's just one idea the whole time through. It just changes the rhythm in this last note right here and this last note right there, right? So super easy. All right, so now it's fingers and articulation time. If you look over on your right, it'll show you the 3 notes that we're using. We've got this new note, this low E, which is going to be our mi, and then we've got G, that's our so, and then A, our la, which is different than before, because remember before this one was do and this was re. Now we've got this as so and mi and la. All right, so we take our fingers out. Make sure you're using your left hand, my friends. I've been seeing some people using the wrong hand. Remember, if you're looking at me, it's going to be the opposite of what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see. And here I'm going to finger through it with my articulation. I'm going to do that one more practice with you. Here you go. I forgot to tell you that it should be on your chin. I'm doing it up here so you can see me. Yours should be on your chin for that nice practice. Okay. So now the 5th step is chin practice. I'm going to let you do that all on your own. So it's on your chin, you're practicing through your fingers, your articulation, and you're just reading it through. I will give you about 25.5 seconds to do that right now. Go ahead. Okay, if that wasn't enough practice time for you, go ahead and pause and practice on your own. Unpause it when you're ready to come back and we'll play it together. Here we go. Okay, if you needed more practice on that, go ahead and pause it and review it and come back to it. We're going to practice one more song this week. So here's the next song that we're going to try. Rain, rain, go away. Again, super easy. We're going to clap the rhythm together. Here we go. Do, do, do-day, do. Do-day, 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 do. Do, do, do-day, do. Do-day, 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 do. Step 2 is naming the notes. So, mi, so, mi, so, so, mi, la. Ooh, big jump right there. So, mi. So, mi. So, mi. So, mi, la. There's that big jump again. So, mi. And then finding the copies, we got this thing, which is the same as this thing. And then we've got this guy, which is the same as that one. Okay? So I'm going to let you do the next steps on your own. So you can pause the video right here, and I want you to practice your fingers and articulation. Watch out for the mi, la idea. Mi, la, so. And then practice it on your chin. And then when you come back, we will be playing it together. Pause it now. Boop. All right, so let's play the song together. I'm going to get up on my knees so you can see my fingers. Here we go. Awesome, good job practicing. Hey, now your assignment is in Seesaw. Pick one of those two songs to play for me so I can see how well you learned them. All right, until next time, keep on making music. I'll see you again. Bye.